Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add products categories in Shopify. So if we go to this left panel, we'll find this product section. Make sure to go and click on that, and then make sure to go and click on collections. Right here, you will find the collections, which is the categories of Shopify. So as an example, I do have here two categories, a homepage and a summer products category. As an example, I'm just going to click on at the top right corner, add collection, or add a category. And here we'll have to give it a name. Let's say an example, like I'm just going to do here under $20 product. So for the collection type, how to add product to this collection? Do you want to do it manually? That means you will have to add products one by one, or do you want to do it smart way? Smart ways means you'll have to set some conditions, and if any products meet those conditions, you'll be able, or they will be added automatically to this collection or category. So if you go to smart right here, you'll be able to set a condition. There are a lot of conditions to be set, so it's up to you to choose the condition that you want. For me, as an example, since I name it under 20, so I'm just going to choose price, and it should be less than 200 in my currency. And yeah, so this is a collection row. I can just go and click on save it. I can give it an image if I want to, and I should be good to go. To add products to this category now, or to this collection, I'll have just to go and click on that. And as you can see, I'll find all the products that I have in here. And all you need to do, just go and click on the products, as an example, like this one. If you have multiple, you'll see multiple. And on this right panel here, you'll have to go and add a collection to it. Of course, like the category, as I said, in Shopify, it's the collection. Because if you scroll down, they have here the category, but this category is already set up by Shopify. You'll have just to choose the category that they ask you. So as an example, what are you selling here? Is it like clock? Is it like bird bath? I don't know. They have a lot of things. Or is it in categorized? So you cannot create your own category to set it to a product. So you can create a collection. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.